First zoom in, add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at end. Then zoom the second keyframe like this. Now for first zoom out, add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at end. Zoom the first keyframe like I did. Now do this graph settings for both zoom in and zoom out. Now for second zoom in, add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at end. Now this time, zoom second keyframe but zoom more like I did. Now for second zoom out, zoom first keyframe but zoom more also like I did. And do this graph settings for both zoom in and out. Now for third zoom in, add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at end. Zoom second keyframe, also rotate second keyframe to minis 20. And now for third zoom out, zoom first keyframe, also rotate it to minus 20. And do this graph settings. If this video helped you guys in any way, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Thanks for watching.